Are you tired of slogging through endless online schemes promising you the world, only to find yourself empty-handed and discouraged? Well, get ready to be blown away because we have a simple yet powerful method that can help you earn up to $3,000 a week from the comfort of your own home. This is not your typical get-rich-quick scheme, but a proven method that utilizes the power of ChatGPT, an AI language model. So if you're ready to tap into your creative potential and start earning some serious cash, then sit back, relax, and prepare to be amazed by this game-changing method. But before we dive in, please take a moment to like and subscribe to our channel so you can stay up to date on all of our latest tips and tricks for making money online. In this video, we'll show you step-by-step how to use ChatGPT to create a captivating business story and then turn it into an engaging animated video using Steve.ai. With these two powerful tools at your fingertips, you'll be able to create high-quality video content that can help you grow your business, increase your income, and achieve your goals. So let's get started and unleash your inner creator. Making money online is growing to be a common way for people to make a living on the side or even full-time. Online income opportunities are endless, and some can be trickier than others, but the method we'll show you is the simplest and most authentic. It's similar to a hack that only a select few people are aware of, and we want our followers to be among them. Moving on, the first step is ChatGPT. Are you ready to unleash your inner storyteller? This AI language model is a writing buddy like no other, with the ability to generate human-like text in a wide range of styles and formats. Using ChatGPT is a breeze. All you have to do is open up the platform and let your imagination run wild. With just a few clicks, you can generate text that is personalized to your own unique style and voice. If you need help with prompts, ChatGPT has got you covered. Whether you're looking for an inspiration for a business tale or a creative story, ChatGPT can help you craft a perfect plotline. But what makes ChatGPT stand out from other writing tools is its versatility. You can choose the length of the text you want to generate and even specify the tone and format you prefer. Formal, informal, excited, ChatGPT can do it all. And with its massive data set of text, you can be sure that the output is of the highest quality. Now let's dive into the first step of our project, opening ChatGPT. It's as simple as logging in and starting to generate text. And the best part, you don't need any special skills or knowledge to get started. Step 2. Sign up to Steve.ai. This awesome online platform is your one-stop shop for creating stunning animated videos that are sure to captivate your audience. Signing up for Steve.ai is a breeze. Just a few clicks and you'll be ready to start creating. Once you're in, you'll have access to a wide range of animation styles, all with a user-friendly interface that makes creating videos a breeze. With just a few clicks, you can transform your static content into something exciting and engaging that your viewers will love. But that's not all. Steve.ai also offers tons of customization options, so you can tailor your video to your brand and your audience. From selecting the perfect music to adding text overlays and transitions, you have complete control over the look and feel of your video. Step 3. Customize your story with ChatGPT. Before diving into creating your video project, let's explore how ChatGPT can help you craft a compelling business story quickly and easily. With this powerful AI language model, you can customize your prompts and choose the desired length of your story. You can even specify the tone and style you want, whether it's formal, informal, sad, suspenseful, and more. The more details you provide to ChatGPT, the better results you get. Step 4. Share your video on social media to get more eyes on your content. You put in the hard work of creating an awesome video, so make sure to promote it on all your social media channels. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, wherever your audience hangs out, that's where you should be sharing your video. To increase your reach, consider using paid advertising to get in front of more people who might be interested in what you have to say. And don't forget to use relevant hashtags. Share your video multiple times and engage with your audience by responding to comments and messages. This will help build a relationship with your followers and encourage them to share your video with their own networks. Step 5. Monetize by affiliate. If you're looking to monetize your video, consider signing up for an affiliate marketing program like Warrior Plus, ClickBank, or Amazon Associates. These programs allow you to earn money by promoting other people's products or services that align with your video's topics and audience. Simply generate your unique affiliate link and add it to your video's description or in a call to action (CTA) within the video. This way, if someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you'll earn a commission. Just make sure to choose products or services that are relevant and valuable to your audience. so you can maintain their trust. Step 6. To maximize your video's reach and exposure, upload to multiple platforms such as YouTube, Vimeo, and Rumble.com. When uploading, make sure to optimize its title, description, and tags with relevant keywords. This will help your video show up in search results and get in front of people who are actively looking for content like yours. Additionally, use eye-catching thumbnails to entice viewers to click on your video. Thumbnails are like mini billboards for your video, so make sure they accurately represent the content inside and are visually appealing. Step 7. Promoting your video doesn't stop at social media. Make sure to share your video on your website, email list, and with influencers and bloggers in your industry. By getting your video in front of different audiences, you can increase your chance of reaching new viewers who might be interested in what you have to say. And don't forget to monitor your video's performance and adjust your promotion strategies accordingly to optimize its reach and engagement. Lastly, make sure to disclose that your video contains affiliate links that comply with Federal Trade Commission guidelines. This is an important step in maintaining transparency and building trust with your audience. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to make $3,000. Remember, these methods are not get-rich-quick schemes, but with persistence, hard work, and a bit of creativity, you can achieve your financial goals. We hope you found this guide helpful, and we encourage you to try out these methods for yourself. Don't forget to track your progress, adjust your strategies as needed, and always stay motivated. And while you're here, why not check out some of our other videos? Click on the suggested videos on the screen to continue your learning journey. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.